Hi class! Back when I was a student taking this class in college, I used to get really confused between the difference between left skewed and right skewed when we were talking about the shape of a histogram. So I made up this really silly memory trick to help me remember, and I thought I would share it with you. And it is really goofy, so if you like it, great, and if you don't like it, then pretend I never showed you. So here I have two different histograms, and you can see that they're both skewed histograms, and my tendency is to look at where all the big bulk of the data is and think, oh, that's what I want to call the skewedness. I want to call this left skewed, but it's not. The skewness goes with the tail right here. So this is how I remember that. I try to make my arm look like the histogram. So for this one here, I would take my hand like I'm going to cup it, make here where the big tall part of the histogram is, and my arm is going to be the long tail of the histogram. So once I've made my arm look like the histogram, what arm am I using? Right arm, which means this one is right skewed. Now if you look at this other graph over here, I can do the same thing. Again, my goal is just to make my arm look like the histogram. So in this case, my hand is going to form the cupping shape. That's going to be the big tall part of the histogram. My arm is going to be the long tail of the histogram. And if I look at which arm I'm using my left arm. Therefore, this histogram is left skewed. So I hope that you find this tip helpful and have a great day.